Okay, FM 101.7.
You're moving on your Afro barometer, but quick response from Nupeno.
Yeah, you see,
Afro barometer no so.
Many a while, Nemo no kikesi no. I want to let him know, say, every toilet project I cost is Gamma project. I World Bank this Kaba, and all metropolitan municipal assemblies in Yahu are developing in the sanitation area. And say Zongo develop Marco Pechi Horn Mamun Pechi Oye. Again, Minia easy. Niamani de obet miaka theory no de United Mika. But me say, and the whole world ayewono, world na ayewono. On mind be our serious no calculate GDP. Or calculate GNP, gross national project. Ni ultima mufo aye. I want ban for so ma woman eno. E wo krom ha 1 or 2 companies lifting almost dollar free krom ha. You see our city wobbling because omo times kana come krom. Enti wo fise figure just to suit conglomerates and we expatriates. We are friends to the World Bank and the IMF because the whole of form music no dey investment.
Oh, I say.
Now you are born who's for hini. Whilst your local industries on it knee, you are not being real to yourself.
But no, that answer that question will also come back to you. Say local industries, and then money from Rollins time. Your man
Local industries. We are not talking about the government ones. Private sector.
The private sector ones.
How are they performing today?
Now, mom, what kind of support now the mom?
Better off.
Yes,
well, look at the key indicators. Industry growth, where is it? Is it Mulampis figure na muye nominal growth? And you know account.
Me enka figures no. It the reality on the ground. And the businesses are they better off than before?
Sector by sector growth.
They are not doing well. No.
Our sector by sector growth compared
to.
But
who say me enka growth? You are saying say me enka GDP because who can?
Me nominal.
Me say me can GNP. Me but and yet me kofa Malcolm's achievement. Me kofa MTN achievement to me fa Ghana ni die. That is my concern. That is the concern me I have because say Malcolm lifting the sika na the coin fa. Omaimu and you conform growth. Now the suppose nominal figure na growth.
But any microeconomic and macroeconomic indicators they do the general economic situation. So want to be for one aspect of the
that is the mistake we are doing as a country or as a continent in Africa. And I am not saying only the MPP. Yenina, it's time we look at how can homegrown no nipa hi and now omutimi jina omunanso. And then we've seen the challenge we had with our financial institutions. Internally and externally, there were forces that played at them. What policy did government put in place to make sure, say, this is my way to go? Me nye finance, me nye economics, but me mean say me nipani no washe bibiasi no okosi na otochima. Government who kwa say obeso nasi.
No.
Say the board no be restructure to put your interest there to be able to move that industry to be a growth in your economy. That's how we should go. The Stanbics and the Barclays and things who are here, do you know how they perform in their country before moving out of their country? Government supported them. We don't think it's a prudent measure to do. And for me, who moving out of the country today? And yeah, figures na our crown and I'm going to and then it me bo yen say oh no buy ba. But no buy na ba no yen bi say who say how have it affected positively on the life of the farmer? Brewe moje no yefu na no buy ba na market I
say government abet you need deputy minister Greg Krakasa Mwaka support on the farmers in farm implement fertilizers there's something more NDT cry you were doing and they are doing same
we na say no buy any bar. Where is the market for them?
And you know almost factories see. Don't go see pineapple you will a kumfi.
Métier Nenyanda. If you say factory ben on the district or say cylinder manufacturing business means a cylinder no the raw material na wo ewutu senya west na we na east to say which raw material is there? Uko the constituency Banchi
Starch no one.
Yes, it's one of the biggest raw material. If you could see cylinder manufacturing, have you alleviated the plight of the farmer there?
At least they've created some kind of jobs.
Created which job? Where's the raw material going to come from?
No.
One or two for the idea is to make sure say our raw materials that we grow locally doesn't go waste.
Yeah.
It say me investing into something like that. The target should be there. That was the understanding of the one district one factory policy. And the next say obi acquire plastic product and obi acquire idea faso improving the local production of raw material. I don't think you have done anything good to the people. Yes, you have created job for 1 or 2 people to have this thing, but we must be focused and targeted. Okay. These are the concerns.
So I wanted to pick your mind on this Afrobarometer report. I see 59% Ghana for say Akufo-Addo is leading us to the wrong direction.
You see, Afrobarometer.
And we are sure some better party. No,
where
there is serious campaign message.
No. For me, no. Where are they coming from?
Ordinary people, normal views.
Now, reports in every paper of Fano. Obi Eka angle. Obi Musa 51% say economy is doing well. 51 or 54. Well, Obi Musa 59 is to the road infrastructure. That tells you say the major concern of the Ghanaian today, road network. Ye kape and I see a road in our Ghana. If I can, where did we say it? Yes, see Green Book. You be a Green Book num chromo so almost mean share pages are you can say we done every road in this country.
Oh sir.
The fact that we put 1 or 2 roads in the Green Book that
what if you get to be by you say total road network in Mudi Bia Kahwama Ghana Hakura and since Kwame Nkrumah by Obi Anya Sakwainda. You said it.
Which figure in which book?
In the Green Book is there.
Which page?
Yet communicators
this week I said chairman for Roads and Transport have to withdraw a statement in Parliament on this same debate. Do you remember? Krabakota na there be a horn of
Minister.
Chairman for Roads and Transport Committee on Parliament. I pay. He withdrew that statement on Parliament because he made the same statement. And Kwame Agboja challenging at the end of the speaker have to tend to withdraw the statement because he never supported with any fact. But Obia in Ghana, like I say, under the NDC, proud to our exit, now you take a pragmatic effort to uplift our road network in this country. Major road interventions. It is a necessary acquiring in 3 years, more auditing, ne go bad. You want to blame me?
I've seen your argument is that the road no year in year, get in 3 years now.
Road new year now. Road new year now.
Road new year.
The roads were not finished. It was not 100% completed.
Interior performance contract. Now money more contractors in here at the time.
Wow, what the road? Some will take 12 months. Some will take 18 months. Some will take 24 months. Within that same period, Saban ICT, governance is continuum. Will be a truncati or see me here auditing. 3 years down the line, the rules have been.
So a MPP for trunk.
Yes, the rules have not been attended to. It go bad. Then that same government is blaming the predecessor. Say who and I want ye. You were Kromhan and Akufo-Addo 2017. Or your thank you tour. 2018, he went on Eastern Corridor Road. That video no more. UTV. A whole new road minister, Lecha.
Voter region there.
Yes. Omujina ho. And a road leader. Amwakwata Nenum Tom said, this road was awarded on Cocoa Board. When we came, Mr. President, you ordered that we should investigate all cocoa roads. We stopped and we've investigated and we've found that road leader has done nothing untoward. So we need to give them money to come back to site. Under the Amapejibisa said, so why did the NDC pay them. They pay them a paltry sum of $10 million out of the $49 million contract. Or see yes, then we have to give them money to come back to site. And then Omanpenyi Abedi Cheso Asakutra whom say yen consider the same road at a cost of $100 million.
The same road.
Yes.
Because we have allowed it to deteriorate.
Deteriorate for 3 years. That same stress.
So what the blame name might be before?
Me man will blame because abro.
Okay.
And Mati Bibiasi say MPP deliberately knew every project that they met, they intentionally left it and got bad. Now they will be awarding non conforming. That is the intention. Because then Omanpenyi Kokati saw for Pualugu. Pualugu Sokati was to be done 2017. So they stalled it. When you now gimmick way and fan baby. But me, even that project, to me, maybe you'll be able to say a priority, but me a priority because I am taking clue from Bui.
Okay.
Bui was to give us how many megawatts?
I think 400 megawatts.
30 or so megawatts.
We never got it.
Shekokua, Erikosi Awa or China, Edi constructive Bui. And then Edisi Awa or China, Edisi Pualugu. When we know the history of the white voter, climatic conditions also. And for me, no, maybe irrigation part of it will serve the people. But Mobi and Tautini will say we are going to get 110 megawatts of power. It's not a feasible thing. Well, feasibility, you look at up and down. Say America for never construct this, I didn't ever in there. Meaning say almost construct they know the investment they will do to recoup their money. But China would do natural resources because war. So for me, Afrobarometer, no, it has spoken to a lot of sectors. How Ghanaians look at it. Uka free education, yes, it's good. And then me, I'm a community leader as a assembly member. Number of people are bami ho to seek for financial assistance to buy prospectus for their children to go to school. I buy it here 1,200. Perfect. But are the children in school? Many children are still at home. And I buy any figure 1.2 million in school. They should stop touting that. It's not real.
Where are they?
It's not real. Look, if you like, move free headmasters and headmistresses to talk in this country. They will tell you.
You mean they are not talking because the MPP force among
you dare not.
Oh, sir.
But there is Chuck.
Yesterday,
I think. How do you call it? Chas.
Yes, Chas. Conference of Heads of Assistants.
Individual headmasters. And
individual headmasters started granting interviews.
Why? Are we not in a free society? Are we not in a free society? Say me manage school. Now things are confronting me. Never confronting me on the campus. They say I shouldn't talk about it. And now let me say Chira Senior High School.
Chira.
Network issue. You saw the conditions.
Yeah.
And I know that headmaster is going to have problem. Why they allowed your network to go and do that? I got me.
In any case,
Okay, FM 101.7.